What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Romel. We're here in Romel's garage and we're gonna do another DIY. Let's do a headlight restoration on my 2015 Nissan Altima. Let's see how this turtle wax that I bought from Amazon. Let's check it out how this thing is gonna work and let's start working. First thing we gotta do is wash the headlight and make sure that it's clean before we do something else. So I just washed the headlight. Let's find out how this thing will work and check that out. This is just after washing the headlight with soap. You see the discoloration on the top and bottom. Let's apply a masking tape on the side of the headlight so it can be protected. Basically I'm just gonna protect the paint, so just to make sure that we don't damage the paint. So let's do this. Let's see what's inside the box. We got the spray lubricant. We got the lens clarifying compound. Got gloves, plastic gloves. What else do we have here? So we got some sanding paper or sanding pads. Sealing wipes. And last thing is the lens base coat wipe. So let's start working. Alright, next step we gotta do is apply the lens clarifying compound. So basically we're gonna apply it to the headlight and buff it out using a cloth or a terry towel. And let's do this. Okay, our next step is apply the spray lubricant to the green polishing pad and directly to the lens. Use pads only those areas that needs restoration, using firm pressure in a back and forth motion over the lens until much of the oxidation is removed. So basically we're gonna use the number 1 pad, which is the green pad. That would be like this one right here. So this is the number 1 pad, and then we're gonna use the spray lubrication. And that would be this one right here. So these two together. Number two, spray it with the lubricant. And then we go number three, and number four is the last step. All right, let's go. Is reapply the lens clarifying compound, and as you can see, all the haze and the discoloration on that headlight is almost gone. So let's apply this and let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna apply the lens base coat. What's up, Perry? Lens base coat, and I need to do it real quick so it doesn't dry up, okay? The next thing we gotta do is we have to apply this immediately. It's the sealing wipe, so this will prevent the yellowing of the lens. And let's do this. I was very impressed. Take a look at that, guys. It looks like a brand new headlight. Check that out. Check that out, guys. Wow.